Good morning, students. In our last session, we learned three different basic gates. First one is the NOT gate. We looked into the symbols used to perform the NOT operation, negation operation, otherwise called as complement of the input signal. That is, if you feed 1, it will give you 0. Similarly, OR, look at the symbol, just recall with the symbol and the expression A plus B, and with the symbol, and also look at the expression A dot B. So this is what called as basic gates. Next, today in this session we are going to learn derived logic gates. So derived in the sense, with the help of or by using basic gates, we are going to derive some other gates. So in simple terms, by combining 2 or more fundamental logic gates, you can come out with some other different flavors. So that's what called as derived logic gates. So there are 4 derived logic gates we are going to learn today: NOR gate, NAND gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate. So first I am telling you the definition for all these gates. It is very easy. Yes, NOR, that is N before R. Yes, so here N is means to, here N means to negation. That's all. You can call it as complemented OR, inverted OR. That's all. So if the expression of OR gate is A plus B, then what is the expression of negated OR? A plus B the whole dash. That's all. Similarly, NAND, N before AND gate. So the expression of AND is A dot B. So NAND in the sense A dot B the whole dash. That's why it is called as complemented AND gate or inverted AND gate. Okay. And next one is exclusive OR gate. So exclusive OR gate. So definitely you may have some addition operation in this. So this actually requiring combination of OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. By using this you could construct exclusive OR gate. Next, exclusive NOR gate. This is actually a negation of exclusive OR. Okay. So XOR the whole dash is equal to XNOR. So now hope you understand the definition of all these 4 derived logic gates. Now look at the diagram one by one. So NOR, OR plus NOT. Either you can use this way or the special symbol called OR. At the end one small circle is there. This is actually the symbol for NOR gate. A plus B the whole dash. Next, similarly, AND with small small circle at the end with A dot B the whole dash. This is whole dash. This is NAND gate. Exclusive OR. So exclusive OR, I have said already, you have to use all the 3 basic gates. See here the expression is A dash B plus AB dash. So how will you implement this logic? A dash. So for implementing A dash we need NOT gate. A dash into B. So for this we need AND gate. And these 2 terms should be added. So for this we need a OR gate. This is what called as exclusive OR. You can also use this special symbol, that is the curved line before the OR gate is actually a symbolic representation of exclusive OR. And next is XNOR. XNOR is a complement of XOR. So A XOR B the whole dash. So this is actually the circuit diagram of XNOR. So in this session we learnt the derived logic gates. And in these derived logic gates, the exclusive NOR and not exclusive NOR, NAND and NOR are called as universal gates. Why these 2 are called as universal gates? Universal in the sense, by using this universal gates you can realize any kind of circuits. That's why it is called as universal gates. Next session we will discuss these with some examples in detail. Okay.